So we're going on a trip and we decided to get one of these for our dogs. This is their like literally their favorite kibble. I know that there are some people who feel some kind of way about kibble, and but I've seen dogs that live on kibble and they they actually lived a full life, and the cat also actually likes it. And he is, just because I've just opened this packet to feed them, he's now hanging around. Move. So yeah, we are going on a trip. Therefore, if you want to ask someone to look after your dogs, this is the best way for them to remain feeding them. Just because you don't want to give them the extra burden of cooking. It's a weekend. The dogs loved it. They love it. I know they've missed it. And they eat it. Sometimes when they've been eating it a while, you can see that they start to miss other food. So we try to give them this and mix it with other food. But when we are not around, we're not worried. It's a weekend is short, and it's so much easier for a person looking after them to just feed them the kibble. Because yeah, if you want to ask someone to remain cooking for your dogs, that's an extra job. They deserve to be paid. Yeah, I was talking about God answering prayers that you haven't even breathed. So I have been feeling like I really want to go on a holiday, but I can't afford one, right? But I really want to go on a holiday. And while I was thinking about that, let me backtrack. So this couple, during COVID, we've been talking about, oh, we'll visit you, but we didn't have an income anymore, and we wanted to visit, but it was just a desire. We couldn't visit. And so this year they came. You know that we traveled for the first time this year, even to see my parents. So this year they also came to Bulawayo for a function, and while they were there, they caught up with a group of us. But we didn't like catch up because, you know, when you're a group, you can't get into detail with certain things. We didn't catch up, but we said to them, we'll visit you after winter. And then the other day I was just sitting and I was like, oh, it's after winter. I must remind Amon that we had said we'd visit after winter. But in the meanwhile, I've also just been longing for a holiday, just a place where I can get out of my house and not worry about what's here. And yeah, I've been longing for a holiday. Anyways, she sends a message, and that's the pastor's wife. She sends a message and she says to me, would we be willing to come anytime soon? And I actually gave them the last week as the day that we would be able to come, because they were also traveling, and they were not able to do last week, so they asked if we could come this week. And I literally did not hesitate, because I have been longing in my heart for somewhere to go outside of our home. And yeah, she sent a message saying, so they attend what used to be the gazebo of their house. This, I'm supposing, because I haven't been to the house in the last 3 years. They've turned the gazebo into a honeymoon suite. So she said that the honeymoon suite is ready for you guys. You need to come and test it out. So yes, I did not hesitate, because that traveling has been a longing of my heart, as well as we had said that we would visit them after winter. And yeah, I like to visit after winter, even my parents, because I don't like to freeze. When the winter is over, that's when I love to travel. So yeah, it's we're so excited to get out to Harare. It's the morning of the trip, and we woke up and it was so foggy. And this is us driving to Bulawayo. We have friends there where we're going to leave our car, and so it was an easier way to get out of the village, because if we waited for the bus, we might have actually missed our bus in Bulawayo. So we figured we'd drive to Bulawayo and get in a taxi and go to the bus. This is a toll gate, so when you're driving long distances, you have these in between and you stop there to pay road tax. We've just arrived, so I'm waiting for Amon, who is collecting our bag. And we are waiting for our host to come and pick us up from here. Amon, do you know what place this is?
Huh?
Do you know what is this place?
Hotel.
Oh, it's a hotel? Oh. There's Amon. I'm supposing he's recording me. I want to show you guys this cottage that our friends made from it was a garden shed, so I suppose they used to keep tools there, and basically they made it into a couple's room, and this is where we've been sleeping. It is absolutely gorgeous. That square on the inside, they've added the bathroom, and I like how it gives the round that cute shape. Yeah, it's been such a stunning place to stay. Even the gardens are absolutely looking amazing. I've really enjoyed my time here. So yeah, they do run a bed and breakfast, and this room is the new addition to their home. Just to show you the garden a little bit, she's very creative, so I enjoy her artiness. Her gardens are always looking so beautiful. So there's all these rose bushes also along here.
At that point, at that stage in your life,
So we have arrived at our destination and we're in our room. So I'm gonna give you a tour just now. Well, that is the bed, of course. But guys, this is a cute little room. Amon and I are converting and we're like, we need a little thatch house. It's so cute. It is so nice. Even outside, when you're standing outside, the room is so beautiful. That's the thatch, of course. And this is the side. And there's a glass door there. Fresh flowers. And some chocolate, guys. I said to Amon, our trip had no chocolate. I've never been on a road trip without chocolate. Voila, we've got chocolate.
wow.
Look at this floor. We're just talking about the fact that they didn't fuss about putting a tile. These are the stones that look like a tile, right? And I know they have paved even outside with them on the walkways. Yeah, like I mean, you can use this in the house. It's not high maintenance at all. I like that. And in here is the bathroom. Oh, it's dark. Where is the light? The light is at the beginning, at the door. I left the light switch behind. Hold on.
I like it.
Voila, so this is the bathroom. The toilet is the side. And I love this mirror. And I like the towel rack, which is a ladder. And the shower is here. We're just looking at it with Amon and we're like, you know what? Less is more. Yep. It's a new day and everybody is up except for me, but I was told that we could sleep in, so it's still early. It's almost 7:30. Amon already woke up at 7. I was gonna wake up at 8 and go and have coffee. Amon woke up at 7, so he said, could he bring coffee for me? And I said yes. So I just finished it. Yeah, everyone is up. We are going to the farmers market. We will have brunch there, and Amon is going to see if he can try to sell his cures to some people there. And we also want to see what they have. What I'm hoping is that the market has got shoes. We've been looking for sneakers, the second-hand ones. Yeah, we've looked in Blawayo. We couldn't find anything nice, and we thought maybe they might have a better variety here. Well, that's the hope. So anyways, yeah, we'll see you out and about. So yesterday when we arrived and I saw these flowers, I literally thought that these are fake, because there's the big bouquets in the house and the roses are quite huge. So I thought this is fake, and then Amon is laying here and he's like, my love, guess what, these flowers are real. I was like, no ways. I mean, they kind of look like plastic. They are quite beautiful. They smell good as well. And that's how you figured it out, because of the sweet smell.
Of the sweet smell, as I was saying in my head there. We bought one was a giraffe, other one was what? So a giraffe and what?
An elephant.
And an elephant. And then a friend, you gave a friend one, and then you lost the other pair. I like your it's well polished. We've been walking 6 out of the car.
So there were some people that I specifically asked to record what they were selling, and they basically said no. And people are a bit sensitive about that, because there are people who come and take photos and reproduce what they are selling. So I can understand where they were coming from.
Quite different from
This is so good.
not so much mine. It doesn't have flavor. By the of it, it doesn't have salt.
It doesn't have salt. It's your fault for getting a burger. So that
But by virtue of the place of the market,
yes.
okay, thank you, sis. Yes.
Thank you.
Right.
We have just boarded the bus, and this morning we went to a home church in Harare, and it was absolutely amazing. Yeah, our home church is a bit of a small group, so they're a lot small. Yeah, we had a good time. The weather was also good. So anyways, we are now on our way home. We've enjoyed Harare, we've rested, we've been overfed. So yeah, we've been loved, most importantly. Guys, we hope that you enjoyed this video. Until next time, bye. Bye bye.